my channel. Today I am bringing you guys a makeup tutorial using, for the most part, new products. I think there's like one or two products that I didn't have that was like new, so I just used like what I had. But yeah, besides that, this is the look that I created for you guys. For the most part, there's a couple things that I'll talk about in the video that I'm not too happy with, but there are some hidden gems and a lot of products that I do like from what I've accumulated over like the past couple weeks. But yeah, this is the makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoy. Be sure to subscribe down below for more videos and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so let's go ahead and start on the eyes. A new concealer that I'm using is the Milani Conceal in Perfect Longwear Concealer. It looks like this, and this is in the shade 115 Light Nude. I'm going to prime my eyes with this. Hopefully it's good, but like I said, that is the reason we do these types of videos, right? And also, like, don't pay attention to this guy right here on my chin. I don't want to talk about it. He's there. He's going to hang out throughout this video. Nothing I can do about it. So I'm going to take the shade right here, which is Teddy on the corner there, and I'm going to run this in my crease to act as a transition shade. So I also just washed all my brushes. I always feel like that's like, I love clean brushes, you know what I mean? I want to make it sparkly, so, and I want this to be kind of like smoky, so I don't want to do like a sharp, kind of like a wing type of look. That's not what I'm going for today. So, ooh, that's pretty. Okay, so I really like that. These blend out super easily. And you know what too? It didn't really skip a lot. On the one eye, this one, because this is my more hooded eye, it's so hard to get right there in the crease, and it did a pretty good job of getting in there. I'm super, super happy with that. I think I'm going to take the shade Raw, which is a little bit more of a kind of like red-purple undertone as opposed to Teddy. So I'm just going to go in with this shade right here, and I'm going to put it on the inner corner and the outer corner of the eye. So I'm going to be pretty gentle with this. I'm going to keep on the outer third and drag it up into the crease. And this brush is the, I'm so bad like naming my brushes, it's the Sigma Small Tapered Blending. It's an E45 brush. It's just nice. It's like a domed blending brush, so it allows me to like really get in there. That's super pretty. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a little bit smaller of a brush just to get in that inner corner. This is an e.l.f. It's an eye crease brush. It just is like a flat, smaller brush than what we were using. Like, you can kind of see the difference there. So I'm gonna get the product in there, and then I'll go in there and blend it out. So again, we're gonna go with that Raw shade right here and put it in this inner corner. Yeah, I think I'm going to do like something like a spotlight eye today. So that gives a little bit more smoky effect, I feel like. So again, let's do this. I don't know what to say all the time. Like, I know we're blending, but it's just awkward sometimes. So I'm going to go in with the shade Fancy, which is this shade here. And then I think I'm going to go over it with this one right here, which that is Infatuated. Here, I'm going to focus this on the center of the lid. That's pretty. Again, pack it on. I'm just bringing like right up kind of into the crease area. This is just a Morphe, it doesn't have any name on it. It just looks like this. Oh my gosh, is this leaking? Oh yeah, something's on there. What the heck is that? Oh, it's my lotion. It's my lotion. I'm going to spray my brush with a little bit of the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. This is not new, but just to get the pigment on there. Clean it up. Okay, yeah, that kicked it up a notch. That kicked it up a notch. Okay, I'm liking that. I'm liking this. See what I mean? It's definitely a little bit more chunkier. See the difference there? Oh my God, does anybody else get this excited about like things, or is it just me? So I'm gonna go back in with the shade Raw, and I'm just gonna add a little bit just because I feel like we kind of lost it. So let's go back in. So basically when I do like eye looks, I always just go back in and just touch everything up. Anything that we lost, any color, you know, any blending that you need to do, I always go back. So far, I am loving this palette. Oh, I can't wait to like use it on like different eye looks. Okay, so I'm gonna go with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and just give my lashes just a quick coat. And then we'll go in with lashes after we put some face makeup on. So for foundation, I do have a couple new ones I want to give a go. I have the Wet n Wild Stick Foundation. So, and then I also have, and these are like super heavy, the Catrice Liquid HD. So, what do I want to do? I feel like part of me wants to try the stick foundations just because I need a lot of coverage, and usually these with a brush give a pretty good amount of coverage. So like, let's try that. So I have this one, and this is in the shade Classic Ivory, but it doesn't look like super light. And then I got another shade, I was smart this time, and I got Soft Beige, which just says light, medium, warm for the soft beige. And then Classic Ivory is like more light neutral shade. So I think if anything, I'll mix the two. Soft beige, here we go. Okay, it's doable. And again, this says it is light, medium with warm undertones, which I kind of am. So let's start with one side of the face and go from there. Okay, so I'm gonna get a mirror and look up close, but from far away, it looks good. The match is pretty good too. So far, like I said, I'm gonna inspect it once I get it on. But you can kind of see it doesn't not sit. I wonder if I should have put the pore primer or put the e.l.f. primer on my nose, just because it's a little separated on my nose area. Maybe I'll try going with a blender. So I'm not really liking the foundation, how it's sitting on my nose right now. Well, at least the eyes look good, right? I do have a new concealer. I hope the shade is okay. It's the one that we primed our eyes with. It's the Milani Conceal Imperfect Longwear Concealer. This is in the shade 115, which is light nude. So hopefully, fingers crossed, this is okay, because I really want to use like as many new products as I can. And then I also, to set that, because I usually like go in and then hurry up and set it, I'm going in with this Pretty Vulgar. It's a loose translucent powder. The Powder Room Matte About It Translucent Setting Powder. So I'm going to give this a whirl. I've heard good things about this, so never used it. Oh, it's got a little puffer in there. Okay. Oh, it shouldn't be too bad. This is, woo, this is creamy. Wow. I'm so used to the tape, the Tarte Shape Tape, which is thicker and it definitely like grabs a little bit more. So this is definitely creamy compared to that. Wow. Okay, let's just start with the under eyes and we'll go from there. Certain concealers, let me just tell you, do not do good sometimes. That's not bad. I feel like I have very deep set eyes, so I really gotta like work and get the product in there. And I always bring it up. So I'm gonna tap one more time just to get rid of any creases. And oh my god. Oh my god, let me hurry up before I get all crazy. Let me set my other eye. Okay, that I'm liking. Let me inspect. I think I really like that whole combination. I need to get more eye filler. I don't know if you guys can see, but Are we serious right now about this? I'm liking that a lot. Okay, super excited about that. To finish off the lower lash line, let's go ahead and do that. And then I'm going to pop lashes on, and I'll do my brows probably off of camera just because they take so long. So I'm pretty much going to repeat what I did. I'm going to go in with the shade Teddy, which is right here, and then we're going to deepen it up with the shade Raw, which are the two colors we used on the upper lid area. And then I'll go in with a little bit more of a definer brush with the other shade. And this one we're going to keep a little bit closer to the lash line. You know what I noticed too? There's literally like no fallout. Even like doing the lower lash line. For lashes, I'm going to use the Sumptuous Beauty lashes. I'm going to go with the style Sydney. And this is what they look like. Because I want something that's going to still allow the pigment and the glitter, and I don't want to take away from the entire eye look. So I like these because they're kind of more spaced out. But yeah, you guys, if you haven't checked out these lashes, the Sumptuous Beauty, I'll link their information down below, and you can use Alicia20 when you check out to get, I believe it's 10% off. So very great. They're 3D, they're mink lashes. Definitely easy to put on. I used them in my last video. I think I used the style Dallas, which those were beautiful too. But I want to use these ones, so I'm going to plop those on, and I'm going to do my brows, and then we'll be back to finish up the rest of the face. Okay guys, so lashes are on, brows are on. You ever have just like a really bad brow day? That's today for me. But new products, I have this from Cover FX. We have a highlighter, we have two highlighters, we have a contour shade, we have a finishing powder, we have a blush, and then we have a brightener here. No, scary. You know what I mean? Okay. That's not bad. I like the undertone. It's definitely more of like a gray. It's not like a true bronzer. Oof. I do like that. Okay. You know what though? You have to go lightly on this. Because a little goes a long way. Oh, this foundation. I really was hoping I was going to like the foundation. Because I love when I try new foundations and they're like so nice. Okay, so we're contoured. So let's go ahead and actually use the blush. Oh, that's pretty. Oh my, I actually really like that. Not really one for like a very peachy blush or like a pink blush, but that's pretty. I'm going to use this one from Milani. It's Make It Dewy setting spray, just because I'm so dry. So I have the Make It Last one too. I have that one as well. I usually use that one, so I'm gonna see what this one's about. Let's Make It Dewy. Let's see. I'm so scared. Oh. Oh god, that smells awesome. Okay. And then I always, you know what, it don't taste good though. Ooh, that is strong, whatever is in there. You know what, it went on my body too. Look at that. Oh, this foundation's so bad. I'm so mad because the eyes look so good. Like I have no, like the coverage isn't good. I feel like it's already breaking up on the skin. I'm just not liking this at all. Oh, okay, that's okay. I'm gonna go in with the highlight shade. I'm going in with this one, which is Starlight. And then this one over here is Divine. Okay, well that's subtle. Just kidding. Okay. Oh. To do my lower lashes, like I said, I don't have a new mascara, so I'm going in with my Great Lash. Okay, so I'm like low-key hoping that the lips and the hair down kind of camouflages the terrible foundation. What do you think? Is it working? I want to try this. I think I'm going to go with the nude lip just because I feel like it's going to be hard to kind of get these types of tones that we have in the eye. And I really don't have anything new, I feel like, that goes with this. But I do have this. This is from Rimmel London. I've used their eyeliner pencils before, and they're really, really good. So this is in the shade, I don't think I've used this shade, though, before. This is in the shade Spice that I have. So, fun story, I don't own a MAC lipstick. I mean, I do now, like, obviously, but before this, I never used a MAC lipstick, and I wanted to give it a go. I forget what I ordered off of Sephora, and this just, like, popped up as a recommendation, but I didn't want to buy, you guys know me, like, I don't buy full-size products until I try something, and then I'll buy the full size. It's Velvet Teddy. I feel like I wanted this because it's kind of like a nude, but like a darker nude, if you know what I mean. So, okay, that's doable, right? Oh, this is no. Now I know why everybody gets MAC lipsticks. I feel like that tone goes well. And I think I'm going to keep it matte just because there's a lot of shimmer going on the eyes. So you guys, this completes today's video. I really hope you guys enjoy just sitting down, trying new products with me, and seeing kind of like what my first impressions were. But yeah, I appreciate you guys watching as always, and be sure to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!